Mentaksi kan Directorate gunailar arjar apnriu kinong Krisyan ke Parti Voice of the People Party kiluan ban yashimenta ban pelong ya kejingyat paidbah ka bajarjar cha Secretariat ban penpau khmat ke sarkar bakade ban penrikam ya kishpotali kimat iba ke parti kalabu khmat ke sarkar. Mentaksi kinong Krisyan ke parti ki balai poi sya kini kejingyat paidbah sya Secretariat kilong palat hajar ngot kejingwan ki paidbah kilong kamtam na ki artli kilenti ki dan ki bawan na ki tan mat pran bat ki dan ki palawan na ki tan civil hospital Shillong bat ha kini kejingyat paidbah la yalum lang khmat ke jaka yang kali additional Secretariat habakran ha kini kejingilom paidbah presiden ke VPP uba Ardan Milar besaya mait ulong ba kini kejing penlong ya kini kejingyat paidbah ke bajai kalau wan pa ya ke khubor sya ke sarkar Bakim hon ya kerukom trekam ke sarkar ha ki babon ki bentah. Presiden ulong baya kita kimat kum ke parti kalah kerana ke por sya ke por na kaliang jang ke parti kalah rai bakan nampak kenok ke dorkas namar kila jutho na ke por sya ke por henry ke sarkar kam jujubab ne ban khot ya keran kum ta kam dan jengmot ban pa jeng tho. Kum kinang kersan jang ke parti ke sutu syai bakin le ya ke ke bade bat kim dan kenok ke jeng temu ban pentut ya ki paidbah bat la batha da ke syai ba ki bawan ban menta ki deben burom ya kejeng betha jang ke parti berhagejo ke por u presiden ulapan pau ya kejeng Sngewkmen baklem dan kejeng pelut kat ne paidbah ulayawan.
March which the party had decided, and we are happy to see the response of the people as far as this peaceful march is concerned. So as we have said that we are going to conduct this peaceful march to convey a message to the government that we are not happy with the style of functioning of the government on many issues, and those issues have been highlighted from time to time. So we will now disperse from this march, as we have already completed the march, and we will wait for some time what will be the response of the government. No. We had decided as party not to submit any memorandum because every time we had written to the government on many issues. But it is, unfortunate that the government never responded to us in writing or even call us for discussion, which is why we don't feel the need to submit a fresh memorandum or petition to the government on these issues, which the government itself is aware of these issues. I think it will be very difficult for me, but I think you must have seen the crowd is huge, spontaneous, and especially in a working day like this. I think as a witness, you had been a witness. How time is allotted to the opposition members in the assembly and how space were being taken by the members belonging to the ruling party. They in fact get more time than the member belonging to the opposition party. So we hardly get enough and sufficient time to discuss various issues. We are not shying away from debating, whether we lose or win in the debate, but we representing fact before the government. So I think that is just an excuse maybe on the part of the government. Our supporters, our volunteers and all those who are supporting us are made to understand that we will do anything which is peaceful and which is right. We don't have any intention to create any law and order problem. We don't have any intention to create public inconveniences. So which is why we have made our stand very clear. We have repeatedly asked those who are going to participate that they should honor the instruction of the party, which is why you see this protest as you see today. You see, these are the issues which in fact the government itself, it is the responsibility of the government to deal with these issues. We are the opposition, we are raising issues concerning the state and the government and the people, I mean to say. So if the government is really serious with all these issues, they should call us, take us into confidence. But this government is quite vindictive, especially when it comes to the opposition party, where they even undermine and belittle the position and the status of the elected representative. So that is just an eyewash on the part of the government to fool the people again. He haga bidai bat ka Shri Simen pila I kumto. He have a pikot. Lada ka government kalong ka coach siya hakor komperkat. Shwa bagan ay ka permission kipulong ka taka public hearing ban snap ya ka jing snow jing gibobon. Mo, but kajing pen snow. Tegadi ka kamram juga sarkar ban thawi kita kajing pen snow, jong kiba persya bat kiba yasha. But mendai taman ong balabun ba persya ban super sya bet. lani babun boy sha ban shu ai be kadai ban thau kan ye ki merits be ki demerits jong kata ka factory kumnu kan pin mentoy yang ni ki try muluk ki try jaka kunu kan ta ka sarkar kan khot ye jing sngo jigi pai ba bat lada ka sngo thu ba kadon ka jing persya jigi pai ba kabam shong nong rim kadai ka kamram jika sarkar ban pin sngo thu ye ki tu ki pai ba em ka long ka ba bakala la repi kan tan mereka sarkar kam ko manai ka tagalan bat ka basngo si ka long bangi iba kadon ka jing ti surok lari ki samla jingi ki ba so khia ya ka kam bam sap ya ka jing trei torti ki surok ki le ki khle ka to ka surok da ka ti ki sha IFIR ki pat ka banjai ki to ki bati knang ban pesniu ki surok te ka tu hi ka jingne ka pin subasniu ba ka sarkar hi ka kwa ba ka outcome jo ka to public hearing ka de balong positive na ka ta dau kim ala dia ki ba persya ba kini dan bentah ngingin numla ban trei ki pressure group ngide ka responsible political party ngim sno don kam bangin ai ultimatum je government in fact the duty and responsibility of the government mo ban snap ye gani ban reach out to us why we have to hit the street. That is the question you should ask. Why do we have to hit the street? Because repeatedly we have been denied, repeatedly we have been ignored by the government when we raise these issues. Nakata-kata kay ni sapan bi kumne. Dahil la ka sarkar ka khot ye kan ni penbet beling ni penbun kampung ni ki pai ba.